Boom shakalaka. Welcome back to the Austin Automates YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect two Closebot bots to your Highlevel account, and we're going to keep it super simple. So let's say you wanted to have an AI powered chat widget and a missed call text back AI responding bot all inside of one sub account. I'm going to show you how to do that and set that up inside of Highlevel and Closebot. So let's just dive right in. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to Closebot, and you're going to want to build out both bots that you are wanting to connect inside of the sub account. So let's say bot number one is going to be the widget bot, and bot number two is going to be the missed call text back bot. So let's go to bot number one. Make sure you are integrated into the sub account. Click add new. And if you are logged into your Highlevel account, you'll be able to see a drop down of the sub accounts. Click the sub account that you want to connect and then hit back, and boom, now that one is connected. The next step would be to go to main, and then why is this conversation happening? And then tell it you are responding to a live chat widget, then set your objectives. We're not going to get too deep into that because I just want to show you how to get this set up with two bots into one account. Then the second step would be setting up your second bot. Click on your second bot, name it bot 2, missed call text back, go to integrate, hit add new, select that same sub account from the drop down and hit back, and boom, we are now connected. Two bots are integrated into one sub account. Then the next thing, click main and let it know why this conversation is happening. At lead name, tried to call, and a text message was sent to help book an appointment. Then make sure you hit save, and then obviously set your objectives. All right, so now that I've gone through the process of I have bot one is for the widget and bot two is for the missed call text back. Now I'm gonna wanna go over to Highlevel and I'm gonna wanna set up the workflows. Once inside of Highlevel, for the widget, I'm only going to need one workflow. There are different ways to do this. I'm just gonna show you the most simple way how to do this. So for the widget, you're gonna need one workflow. And for the missed call text back, you're going to need two workflows. So let's start with missed call text back. The very first workflow you're going to need for missed call text back is one where the trigger is the call. Call direction is incoming, call status is no answer. Hit save, and then what it's going to do is it's going to add the tag missed call to that person, and then it's going to send them the very first text message that says, "Hello, this is Sarah with Sunrise Salon. I'm sorry we missed your call. Is there something that I can help you with?" So the main thing is that it got this tag. Then the second workflow is the process message, where we're going to set up the trigger is customer replied, reply channel is SMS, and then has tag missed call, because you don't want any person that texts this number to activate this very specific bot. And then normally we would have the webhook where it sends the inquiry to Closebot to respond to that bot. But since we have two bots connected into this sub account, we need to specify which bot we want to use. So I'm going to go back over here to Closebot. I'm going to find the missed call text back bot, and I'm going to copy this number right here. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to hit add item. And then I'm going to say bot, Command V, and then I'm going to hit save. So now when someone calls in and that call is missed, they're going to go through that first workflow that tags them missed call and then sends them that very first text message. And then since you've prompted your bot to do the rest, what will happen is once they reply back and it sees that they have this tag, this webhook will then activate the missed call text back bot. So that's how you connect bot number two for the missed calls. Then we are going to do the same thing for the widget bot. Customer replied is reply channel live chat. And then if you want to add a tag that they came in through the live chat, you can. If you're using two different chat widgets and you want two separate chat widgets, then obviously you'd have to have a tag in an additional workflow and then have it say, if it has this tag and responds to live chat, then activate this bot. You'd follow the same process as adding a tag with missed call text back, but it would be two chat widget bots. But in this scenario, we're just doing missed call text back bot and a chat widget bot. And then the webhook is, again, this URL here, if you downloaded my quick start guide on how to connect it, you do need to have where you're either using the Closebot URL or the white label URL. So you copy that and then you paste that inside of the webhook URL. And then this one, I would hit add number and then bot. And then I'm going to go over to Closebot. I'm going to make sure I'm on bot number one, which is the widget bot. And then I'm going to copy the bot number. Command copy, go back over to Highlevel, hit custom data, Command V, and then I'm gonna hit save action, and boom. That is step by step on how to connect two bots into one account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I do have my 2-minute setup guide, step by step, on how to set this up and how to get Closebot connected into Highlevel. That is in the description below. And if you do not have a Closebot account, I do have my link to your free Closebot account inside of the description as well. And if you go ahead and get your free Closebot account through me, through my link, I'd be happy to hop on a phone call with you and help you set it up and get it all connected. You guys, I look forward to seeing you in future trainings. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk soon.